Okay, in this video we're going to look at present value. Let's look at our joke of the day here, our joke of the lesson. If two negatives make a positive, how come two wrongs don't make a right? Okay, present value. So P equals a 1 plus I to the n. P is the present value, or sometimes the principal you start with. It's the same formula as before, just kind of rearranged, and we have a negative up here. It's still, instead of the P being here, the A goes here, and the P goes here, and instead this becomes negative n. And the I and the n are still the interest, and that's the compounding period. A is the amount. Okay, we're still going to use this table. Semi-annual, 2. Quarterly, the 4. We're going to divide and multiply by 4. Monthly, divide by 12, multiply by 12. And weekly, divide by 52 and multiply by 52. So we're still going to apply this. Okay, the best way is just to start, and let's do some questions. First, we have to figure out how to put this into the calculator. So you can either put all this in a calculator with a bracket, but you're going to have to put a negative there, and you have to be very careful, or you can put it in like this. So I'll show you here. You can put it in like P equals 2,000. Okay, and I'm going to go times 1.043 to the negative 6. So you can either put it in like this or the other way. Let's get my calculator out. Now you have to be very cautious with your calculator when you do these negatives. Okay, we'll clear. Do not use the minus sign. You have to find the negative symbol on your calculator here. If you use the minus sign, you could get an error. Or you have to, when you use the minus sign, you have to put a bracket around it. So let's take a look. 2,000. Okay. Times, this is the way I would do it, times 1.043 to the exponent negative 6. And he gives my answer. Now, depending on your calculator, you may have to do this. Okay, you may have to go 2,000 times 1.043, whoops, 043. Okay, and then you go exponent. You may have to put a bracket around the exponent. So a bracket around, maybe you use the minus symbol. Let's see if that gives me an error. Oh, I get an error there. But some calculators you might have to do that. Let's go to the error too. So I have to make sure I get the minus symbol. Some of you might have to put a minus around here. Okay, there's that same answer, 1917. Another way, so you can go 2,000. Some of you just put bracket 1.043. Oh. Whoops, 43. Okay, to the exponent, negative 6. Some of you might have to do it that way. When it's a different answer, something's wrong. 2,000, 1.043. Well, not to the exponent 6. I didn't put the exponent 6 on the first one. So on the first one, it should have been 2,000 times 1.043 to the exponent, okay, negative 6. Okay, there we go, 1553.54. Or some of you go 2,000, and you might want to put bracket 1 plus 0.43 to the negative 6. Okay, you just have to use your own calculator to figure it out. I'm not going to do every single different way here. So let's write the answer, 1553.55. So 1553.55. Okay, now I'll do this one. So I like to do 4200 1.005 to the negative 36. I go to my calculator here, and I do 0 times, this is the way I like to do it, 1.0, decimal 005 to the exponent negative 36. And 3509.71. 3509.71. Now notice this number is always smaller than the 4200. Same here, the answer here is smaller than that 2000. Okay, let's go to 2A. So you got calculate the present value of each amount. A, 4,200 in 5 years at 3 3/4, compounded annually. Okay, so we're going to do the same as before. We're going to go I equals 3 3/4, 3.25 cents, 3.75, or you can use your calculator. Okay, divided by, well, compounded annually, 1. We don't have to do any, it's divided by 1, but I'll just show it, 3.75. So if it's annually, it's just 1. Okay, then divide that by 100, so you get 0.0375. And n here is just 5, so you don't have to, it's times 1 because it's annually, so 5. So I haven't put anything for annually. You don't have to put the 1 or the thing, it's just whatever the numbers are. Okay, let's put it into our formula. P, oh, this time it's A equals, no, it's P equals, let's go back. You know, I've got a bad memory, a lot of you probably do too. How do you memorize this formula? Let's keep going. It's difficult, just look it up. Up higher. P equals A1 plus I. P equals A1 plus I. So let's go over here. P equals A1 plus I to the negative n. Okay, A, so our amount is 4,200. Okay, 4,200. 4200. 1 plus I, 1 plus 0.0375 to the minus 5. So you put negative 5 there. So that's like 4200, 1.0375 to the negative 5. We'll get our calculator out. Okay, 4200 times 1.0375 to the exponent negative 5. Whoops, not 35, but negative. Make sure you use that negative symbol. 344, so there it is. It's a dollar value, 3493.89. The 6 rounds that to a 9. 3493.89. $93.89. Okay, again, you want 2 decimal places because it's money. Okay, that's why you round to 2. So 89343, 3493.89. Okay, the next video will do the next 3 questions.